Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of ADIDAS Predator 94. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, of course it's greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. Just want to take the time and opportunity. Thanks subscribers, new and old, without you guys I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at one of Adidas's most iconic sneakers in my opinion. We've got that Predator 94. Obviously this is a take on the OG Predator, which were football boots, famously worn by Zidane, David Beckham, you name it, like the very best have worn them. And we got a look at the Predator 94s. We got this in the UK size 7.5, to US 8, and it's a European 41 1/3. We got this in the cool black colorway. They are. I mean, this is obviously, I'm kind of used to the proper football boot version, even nowadays, because essentially it's like the 30th anniversary. We've seen them release the new versions of the Predators. They're so dope. The likes of Jude Bellingham was wearing them. A lot of Adidas footballers wear them now because they're probably one of the best football boots ever made. And here we have like a lifestyle sneaker version, and what we're seeing a lot from sneaker brands, they're doing kind of like football inspired sneakers. You've seen a lot of these fashion girlies, they're wearing long tongue sambas, for example. Football tops is just all the rage nowadays. But you know, the OGs always remember Predator. Gotta love the Predator. I was always jealous of the guys at school wearing their Predators. I wasn't able to get a pair. I've always worn like Nike Tempos. I've always wanted a pair of Predators. So we've got one here for you today, and we'll start with the outsole. So you've got the all rubber outsole. This is obviously molds here, so if you want to have a kick about, these are probably some fashion ones to wear. Midsole unit, you've then got your foam midsole, and here at the upper, you've got a suede upper. Kind of, I wouldn't say it's as sleek as a football boot, but it's kind of a slim at the top down, right there. And obviously you've got that exaggerated tongue, fold over, iconic. Right here in the middle, in the lateral side, you've got the 3 stripes. Flat lacing system. You've got raised parts of the upper as well, want to control the ball. Another tongue, obviously, show if you don't want the long tongue, so it comes off, easily touch it back on. But you know, you gotta show the Predator logo. Back, it's all suede upper, so you get the Adidas logo that's there, and the insole, you got textile insole, nicely cushioned, because obviously this was designed to play, I mean, by the looks of these modes, play an artificial grass, maybe soft ground as well if you really want to play some proper football. But this is, to me, looks more lifestyle. I wouldn't personally wear these to have a kick about. I'd go to for proper Astro tough boots. But if this is something that you want to try out, you want to, you know, try something different, these are probably it. I mean, these are a dope sneaker, but in my opinion, it doesn't beat the proper football boot that obviously this is inspired by. So with all that said, let's try these on.
When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. Get your true size Adidas fit. Unfortunately, for Adidas, I do get a size UK 8. This is a UK 7.5. It's a half size smaller than what I usually wear for Adi. It's a bit really, not gonna lie, it's really snug. Tight up here on my left foot as well. But it does look like I'm gonna go kick some ball. Again, another reason why I do wear bigger, especially when it comes to football shoes, actually, is that I'd be wearing football socks with them, and they're quite big. They take a lot. They don't take a lot of space, but usually I do get a UK size 8.5 for football boots, or 8, depending on what brand it is. That's what I typically do. These, however, I think I should have got a size bigger to what I usually wear. They look really dope on though, especially now that I'm wearing shorts, and you know, it looks like I'm going to take some five-a-side. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.